Hello, my name is Lapri Singh, and with the help of my group mates, today we have made our project proposal, and my company name is Tech Solution. So here we have our summary. First of all, we have some introduction about it, then needs and problems, procedure, scope of work, and then so many things like timetable, budget, key personal, evaluation, and all these are. Here we have introduction in the first. Tech Solutions Company is one of the best company of Canada that is run by our team and its products are available across the global. Almost all small business and home offices use computers and depend on them to be working properly. They don't have the skills, the time or the desire to do their own computer service, repair and upgrades and that puts a computer physician right in the middle of one of them fastest growing industries in the world. Computer repair and maintenance services. We are providing quality computer repair at Tech Solution. If you have problem with your PC, contact us and one of our local repair technicians will be working on any computer problem you might experience. A PC technician will offer you professional service at affordable prices. Whether you need PC repairs, computer upgrades, you want a virus removed, or installation or importing system. Just use our 24 by 7 service to solve your computer related problems. We can also offer you computer maintenance service and computer supported at the most affordable prices you can find in Nigeria. Whether you use Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7 for PC maintenance, computer repairs, computer support, let us help you in solving your problems. For computer repair service, contact us and you will pleased to have chooser us. In the next, we have some need including all parts of computer like hard disk, RAM, motherboard, screen, etc. Why people should go for repair? First of all, it's cheaper and affordable for everyone. We are eco-friendly, so with this service, everyone give contribute to environment. You can learn how to recycle or reuse the things you just can't repair. The advantage of the company and policy. First of all, the first advantage is as most of people have problem regarding repair, they cannot reach to company and sometimes company take more to repair it regardless of customer need. So second advantage is we provide services according to customer if they want it in minimum time and home picking and deliver services. Fourth advantage is after repair we provide a full information to customer that how to maintain the things that they can use it safely.
Hey, my name is Jobanji Singh, and I'm going to talk about the needs and problems. Most of problem is solve internet problems, and there is a slow internet. Nothing can be more frustrated than a slow internet connection. I know you can't enjoy that famous Netflix show or stay connected on Facebook, but this problem is usually pretty easy to deal with. The solution is restart the modem. The solution is just like how you would resolve your any gadget. Sometimes a power fluctuation or overuse of internet modem can overload it. In order to restart everything back to normal, simplify switch off the modem, wait for a few minutes and turn it back on. You should you should be good to go in most cases. Secondly, fix your Wi Fi signal. Speaking of Wi Fi, you might find that your router and internet are fine, but your wireless signal is weak. This can cause or it minimum a literacy field browsing experience. In that case, you may need to reposition, tweak, and boost your router with a few tricks. The next most problem is blue screen of death. The first common error that computer usually have is the blue screen error, and for this matter people should understand the blue screen of death. A header time will come when your PC refuses to load any data. These data will get access to your PC through loopholes in operating system or in application software. For fixing your PC and eliminating these programs, you should scan your computer with a proper antivirus program. It will definitely help you to get rid from blue screen of death, and it is very best way. Another one is system automatically restart. This is last but not least for common computer problem here, and quite the most frustrating one too. There are many reasons for this problem. It can be a result of various issues, including corrupted drives, fault hard drive, and malware infection, among others. It can be difficult to pinpoint exactly what keeps your computer in a reboot loop. In most cases, it usually happens after the Windows update. And here is solution for this. Firstly is deleting bad registry files. Before you do this, you can be completely confident that you can complete the process without any mistake. Keep in mind that Windows registry is sensitive database. Even misplacing a comma can cause damage to your computer. As such, I suggest you opt for one-click solution like Logic Registry Cleaner. This freeware automatically search for duplicate and corrupted registry files. Now, second solution is updating drivers. When your drivers are updated, it is possible for your computer to get stuck in a reboot loop. This is because your device are not able to properly communication with your system. As such, it is important to check if your driver are up to date, and these are the main problem where sometimes people have to face, and these are very good solution. By following these solution, everyone can get solution for every problem, and you can also visit our website to get rid from these type of problems. Our company offer these type of schemes that people like, and it is very beneficial for everyone. Okay, and now go with next point, and this is scope of work. A technician would also have to repair IT for vehicle and equipment such as printer, mobile device, scanner, and etc. They would have to reinstall operating system when hard disk break down. Technician will carry out performance test according to requirement, prepare test report of product when needed, remove virus and troubleshoot malware, aware, spyware, etc. They also adjust computer hardware component to ensure better performance and diagnosis network connectivity problems. These technicians can advance their career if they completed a bachelor degree of engineering, computer science, or a related field, and an associated degree in PC maintenance technology. Technology will help candidate become computer repair technician beside a certification in A plus from CompTIA or others such as Microsoft Certified Professional MCP or SCOS Certificate Technician CCT. They should have basic knowledge of networking protocols such as TCP and IP, and topology. Computer repair technicians need to keep themselves update of the latest development in technology by acquiring new skills. They should be aware of system recovery programs. The average salary of computer repair technician is 36,774 per year in United States, while freelancers earn 14.21 per hour dollar according to scales. Now there is a table description of work that how we work in phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. We divided the every plan, and it is very easy for everyone to do with these plans. And along with this there is activity, implementing time, and responsibilities. You can see and that how we organize our work, that which activity take much time or less time, and which person have the responsibility or which person have the less responsibility. With this everyone uh, play their roles.
To continue with the next topic, that is budget. Budget is a plan to control finances. It enables to make confident financial decisions and meet objectives of the company. It ensures that company should have enough money for future projects. Mainly, company's budget is distributed in employees, advertisement, equipment, and other expenses. Our company has a budget of 1.5 million, which can be distributed in different sectors, are as follows. The first one is employees. In this sector, nearly 90% of the budget wages is distributed among the employees company in working. As in our company, 50 employees are working and different jobs have different pay rates. As in my company, 16 workers are at a good position like software developers and technicians, so that they get more money than laborers. The second one is advertising. This is one of the main sector of the company because the company sale is dependent on it. As in this era of technology, advertisement play a big role. So that's why our company spend 1% of the total budget on advertisement yearly. The third one is equipment. This sector includes the raw material, new machinery, and money needed for material used in the repair of machine. It costs almost 5% of the total budget yearly. The last one is other expenses. In this, cost of all things used for the company like maintenance, travel, damages, taxes, etc. came under this section. It cost nearly 60,000 per year. Moving towards the description, amount and percentage of total, employees constitute total 13,50,000 with the percentage of 90. Advertising constitute of the 15,000 with 1%, whereas equipment and other expenses include 75,000 and 60,000 respectively with 5 to 4%. The total amount of this became 15 lakh, whereas now moving towards the description, the total earning is 3 million and the total cost of it is 1.5 million. Hence, the net profit became 1.5 million. Budget for small and big business: server, hardware, installation and maintenance. Step 1. Description of the work. Documentation and the design. And the start and end date is 1 August to 5th August. Step 2 is removing and installing new hardware from 6 August to 17. Step 3 is configuring the system and it's from 18 August to 23rd August. And the step 4 and the last one is installing everything and it's from 24th of August to 31. And the total cost of it is $20,000. Now moving towards the key personnel, that is the client is Udacity Central Web Services. It is sponsored by the Fox Limited. Manager is Mr. Mandeep Singh and the project manager is Mr. Gurkaval. The team members are Dwayne Johnson, Johnny Depp, Mrs. Gal Gadot. Thank you.
With first is the evolution of company. With the popularity of personal computer and use in business make more need of computer system repair and maintenance. The computer repair and maintenance industry increased dramatically in 1980s and 1990s as the production of new computers become more efficient and computer become throwaway and replace item. But though computers become more disposable, other important computer aspects and computer issues arose. Consumer needed networking repair and guidance due to high popularity of internet, and along with the high popularity of the internet came a great increase in risk of acquiring malicious computer virus and other malware. Consumers were not so likely to throw away a laptop merely because it did not connect to the internet properly or because their laptop got numerous computer viruses. It was much more cost-effective to take computer to local repair than to throw away and replace. Many individuals also need computer website for business, so we start offering web design and development. The market was also dominated by a handful of major brand names. This contrasts to the vast amount of hardware and software options available today. Computer technicians are now required to keep pace with the hardware and software. With the widespread use of internet has increased the need of computer repair. It has also resulted in user attempting to do it yourself repairs. Users are often turning to online forums and web pages as is their first port of call to attempt to fix technical computer issues. Computer maintenance and repair service only repair computer. We also deliver it to the customers. We also seen glue used where in the past screw or magnet were used. This means the likelihood of damaging a computer when repairing it is higher, and also it is a much slower process to remove the glue than to unscrew the component. And the second thing is endorsement. The right to repair electronic refers to proposed state of federal government legislation that would provide the practical means for equipment owners to repair their devices and now a legal right. If a repair is legal under copyright law and patent law, owners are often prohibited from making their own repair or hire technicians. They trust to help by manufacturers. Limitation on access to repair materials such as parts, tools, diagnostics, documentation, and firmware. There are information technology certifications which are used to regulate those who are being hired by us, as since are used to show that a technician has a basic understanding of certain skills. However, it does not actually mean that the certified person can actually fix a computer. I have personally seen well qualified technicians who were absolutely useless while non certified technicians were absolutely brilliant. The best regularity idea we do is technician could have more than 5 year experience and know exactly how to fix the computer on the TV program. His skill should be good enough to pass the mandatory exams, which mean he has met all the necessary requirements to become a fully fledged computer technician. Being licensed, his client will trust him more. We make copy of computer data so that in case data get lost, there is a backup.
My name is Kirandeep Kaur. Now I am going to describe the next steps of computer repair and maintenance. The very nature of the computing industry, with its extraordinary rate of technological development, creates a constant need for businesses skilled in updating and advising customers on computer related issues. In towns, The majority of potential customers are dissatisfied with existing options, creating an attractive niche for an innovative startup. Small business PC users will provide the majority of our business revenue. Business Week expects the computing industry to grow at the rate of 12% and the processor speeds to continue to expand for the years to come, providing a rich resource for sales. Now, our company is also trying to find the more good and experienced computer physician. Everybody with the computer knows that the moment of, but if we are a computer physician capable of diagnosing virtual ills and then repairing them, we can easily take on the appearance of an angel of mercy as a computer repair specialist. We will drive out to clients' homes or offices with our briefcase of tools and equipment and heal those sickly computers and printers. We can also earn tidy revenues with preventive maintenance, dusting or vacuuming innards, and cleaning disk drives on a quarterly or semi-annual basis. Computer maintenance and repair are here to stay. As a final plus, these businesses satisfying people are always appreciative when we bring an acutely ill hard drive or printer back to health. We will need to have the knowledge and skills of a computer physician, including how to change motherboards, repair and replace hard drives, and add memory chips. And we should have a good computer side manner so that we can soothe panically owners and tactfully instill the benefits of good preventive maintenance. PC Repair has also decided to focus mainly on the small business market as these customers typically don't have a full-time IT person but have full-time IT needs. PC Repair will offer an affordable on-demand service for these customers. We can also offer maintenance agreements that generate additional monthly income. For our residential customers, we will offer a very affordable and helpful service with a very flexible schedule to meet their needs. Our target market will focus on Ramsford on Bitstream and the surrounding areas. Market search indicates that there is an abundance of business for small companies such as PC Repair. After that, I am going to describe the appendix. Finally, we find that the basic repair and maintenance is the best option and important activity. We begin to work in this business for the satisfaction of the customers and provide them services at low cost if they face any problem. Moreover, we were associated with hardware and software business. Consequently, we also earn profit with the satisfaction of customers by our work, and customers are totally satisfied with our work that our price of providing services is lower as compared to other market competitors. Furthermore, we also provide many offers to our customers for their satisfaction and to make them happy. From next time, we will also try to hard drive updates and virus software. Thank you so much.